The insane biology of the seals. Seals are fascinating creatures that have evolved unique adaptations to thrive in their aquatic environment. Their streamlined bodies, webbed feet, and thick layer of blubber are just a few of the adaptations that make them perfectly suited for life in the water. Seals' streamlined bodies allow them to move through the water with ease, reducing drag and conserving energy. Their webbed feet act like flippers, providing powerful propulsion and maneuverability. Additionally, seals have a thick layer of blubber that serves as both insulation and energy storage. This layer of fat helps them stay warm in cold water and provides a source of energy during long dives. But seals' adaptations go beyond just their physical features. They also have a unique dive response that allows them to hold their breath for extended periods of time. When a seal dives, its heart rate slows down, and blood is redirected to vital organs, like the brain and heart. This allows them to conserve oxygen and stay underwater for up to 2 hours. Seals also have incredible hearing abilities, which are essential for navigating their underwater environment. Recent research has shown that seals have adapted their cochlea morphology to better detect underwater sounds, allowing them to communicate with each other and locate prey. It's amazing to hear that even the parasites that live on seals have adapted to their unique environment. Seal lice, for example, have evolved specialized claws and soft pad-like structures that allow them to attach to seal fur and withstand the extreme conditions of the ocean, such as high hydrostatic pressure and fluctuating temperatures. What are some unique characteristics of seals and their conservation importance? Seals are a diverse group of marine mammals, with 33 species in total. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that make it well-suited for life in the water. For example, the harbor seal, also known as the common seal, is found in coastal waters of the Northern Hemisphere, while the gray seal is prevalent in the North Atlantic Ocean. The Mediterranean monk seal is one of the most endangered species of seals, with only around 700 individuals remaining. The Hawaiian monk seal is also critically endangered, with only around 1,400 individuals remaining. What are some social behaviors and communication patterns of seals, and how may they contribute to their survival and conservation? Seals exhibit fascinating social behaviors and communication patterns that are often likened to those of dogs. Studying their behavior provides valuable insights into their ecological roles in conservation. For example, harbor seals have been observed exhibiting social behavior underwater throughout the year, indicating the use or need of social rituals that reduce aggression and facilitate social bonds among members of the herd. Gray seals form large colonies at breeding sites, where females give birth, suckle their pups, and mate. During this time, females compete with each other for access to prime pupping sites, and social relationships and dominance hierarchies form within the sexes. Seals are sociable creatures that live in colonies, spending time at sea and on land in large groups. They form a social hierarchy within their subgroups, with males often having the most power and those that are the strongest being dominant. This social structure helps maintain order and determine their place in the group. While seals are social and typically remain in groups, they don't have close relationships and are usually solitary hunters. They communicate by slapping the water and grunting, and their social structure is crucial for their survival and reproductive success. What are some unique aspects of seals' reproductive behavior and maternal care? Seals' life history and reproduction are remarkable aspects of their biology. Female seals exhibit fascinating reproductive behaviors, such as giving birth on land or ice, and providing exceptional maternal care to their pups. The waiting for a mother seal to give birth is a captivating natural event. For instance, gray seals form large colonies at breeding sites, where females haul out to give birth, suckle a single pup for 18 to 20 days, and mate. During this time, females compete with each other for access to prime pupping sites, and social relationships and dominance hierarchies form within the sexes, minimizing aggression. Seals' reproductive habits, including the waiting period for birth and the subsequent maternal care, are essential for the survival of the species. Female seals provide dedicated care to their pups, feeding them for up to an entire month until they are large and strong enough to swim. During this period, Mothers never leave their pups and rely on their stores of blubber for sustenance. What are some challenges and conservation efforts for endangered seal species, such as the Mediterranean monk seal? The conservation efforts for seals, particularly endangered species like the Mediterranean monk seal, offer a compelling narrative of the challenges and triumphs in protecting these animals in their habitats. As I already said, the Mediterranean monk seal is critically endangered, with only around 700 individuals remaining. The lack of food in the water due to fishing and pollution, as well as climate change, pose significant threats to their survival. Conservation efforts, such as creating marine areas for seals to have adequate food supplies and urging governments to adopt sustainable alternatives to commercial hunting, are essential for ensuring the long-term survival of these remarkable creatures. What are some physiological adaptations of seals for diving and survival in their aquatic environment? Seals possess unique physiological adaptations that enable them to dive to great depths and remain submerged for extended periods. Their ability to regulate heart rate and blood flow during dives is a marvel of evolutionary biology. For instance, seals have a large blood volume, which increases the amount of oxygen that can be stored prior to diving. The heart rate slows by a third, preserving oxygen during dives. Additionally, seals have well-adapted lungs for the semi-aquatic lifestyle, with airways supported by smooth muscle and cartilage. The alveoli in their lungs completely collapse during deep dives, allowing them to conserve oxygen. What is the ecological importance of seals in marine ecosystems? Seals play a crucial role in marine ecosystems as top predators, influencing the dynamics of fish populations and contributing to the overall health of the oceans. Seals are essential elements in maintaining a state of ecological stability, and their impact on the health of the ocean can be compared to that of trees in a forest. Seals are known to return massive amounts of nutrients in the form of fecal material, which feeds the plankton, which in turn feeds the fish, which in turn feeds the seals. The removal of this nutrient base would be critical to the health of plankton and fish populations. Studying their ecological impact is essential for understanding marine ecosystems and ensuring the survival of these remarkable creatures. What is the historical relationship between humans and seals, and how has it evolved in terms of conservation efforts? The historical relationship between humans and seals, from being hunted for their skin and fat to becoming the focus of conservation efforts, sheds light on the complex interplay between human activities and wildlife conservation. Seals were historically a subsistence resource, providing meat, skin for clothing, and oil for fuel and lighting. However, commercial sealing led to a significant decline in seal populations. Today, seals are understood to play a crucial ecosystem role, and conservation efforts are focused on protecting their populations and habitats. This shift in the human-seal relationship reflects a growing awareness of the importance of seals in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems and the need for sustainable coexistence. What insights do first-hand seal studies provide about their ecological role and the importance of ongoing research? The first-hand accounts of marine biologists studying seals in their natural habitats, such as the experiences shared in the Odyssey of KP2, offer a captivating glimpse into the world of seal research and the dedication of scientists to understanding these animals. Long-term studies have provided valuable insights into the behavior, ecology, and conservation of seals, shedding light on their role in marine ecosystems and the impact of human activities on their populations. Research on the ecological role of seals has highlighted their importance in maintaining the health of the oceans and the resilience of marine ecosystems. How do marine biologists and conservationists raise awareness about seals and engage the public in conservation efforts? The work of marine biologists and conservationists in raising awareness about seals and their conservation through public outreach and activism provides an inspiring narrative of the human commitment to protecting marine wildlife. Educational and outreach initiatives, such as the Seal Conservation Society, the Northwest Atlantic Seal Research Consortium, and the Marine Conservation Society, play a crucial role in promoting public awareness and engagement in seal conservation efforts. These organizations work to educate people on the problems seals face, recruit citizen scientists to participate in conservation projects, and campaign for better protection of the marine environment. By engaging the public in conservation efforts, these organizations help to create a sense of responsibility and stewardship for the health of marine ecosystems and the survival of seal populations.